Welcome back to the Flip Flop Fab Shop. Today I'm going to show you how to restore your headlights. So you can see I did one. So we're using this kit. You wet sand with 800, 1500, and then it has a 3000 like finishing pad. And then you take your, comes with some polish. And you take this guy to finish it off. Super easy. So I'll go ahead and show you how to start doing it. So after you wet sand with the 800, the 1500, then you dry it off and finish with the 3000 dry. Then you just take your polishing pad, just polish it up. It takes about 20 minutes, and these headlights are pretty large, you can tell. They're big. So this is what you're left with. This is crazing apparently. These little cracks. The headlight's fine, but the plastics just has like tiny little cracks. Especially on this one. But it still looks a lot better than it did. In this one kit, we did 2 cars with it. You can probably do another one, but the sanding discs get a little wore out. And you don't even have to buy a kit. You can buy sandpaper by yourself. You can buy one of these polishing pads and one of these little guys to put in your drill. And you can provide your own polish. So not bad. Looks a lot better than it did.
Brand new car.
Yeah. Well, I think that's all. Is the short one, but I figured I'd make somewhat of a video out of it. So